TikTok doesn't hand out clickable links to everyone. For personal accounts, you usually need at least 1,000 followers. For business accounts, you can often get a link earlier, but you'll likely need to go through a verification process. If you're under that 1K mark, you can type the link in your bio, but it'll stay dead text. Nobody is going to manually type out a 30-character URL, so let's get you a real one. If you meet those requirements, here is the one way to set this up correctly. Go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, and find the website field. This is crucial. Do not paste your link in the bio section. That space is for text only. Put your URL in the dedicated website box, hit save, and you're golden. If that website field is missing entirely, don't panic. It usually means one of three things. Your account hasn't hit the follower threshold yet. Your business account still needs to be verified. You're in a region where the feature is still rolling out. Don't waste that precious website slot on your Instagram or YouTube channel. TikTok has a specific social section in the Edit Profile menu for those. Save the main link for your GoFundMe, your shop, or a link tree that houses everything at once. The link in bio struggle is real, but now you know the rules of the game. Like, comment, and subscribe for more TikTok and social media tips.